Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is February? No, yeah, it is February and it is the Lux box. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let me make sure my address doesn't get shown on here. Let me make sure my address is not showing. So this is the icon. This is the icon box. You know, I guess now it just says Ipsy. Before it used to say Boxycharm / Ipsy. And let us go through and see what we got. Well, first it says, oh, it's I guess Gabrielle Union. It's the icon of this month. You may be lighter than a feather, never ever. Horizon, gonna fly with chic and heavy. Suddenly we see the same. She's so pretty. So that is that. So our first product is from Dew of the Gods, and it is a heaven grade body serum. Quenches the body, lightly shimmers. When we're good, all is fine, yeah, we can do much better. I don't wanna win a fight just to be right instead of being close to you. Let us look, let us see what it is. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, it says spray. So it's a serum. Ooh, smells so good. And you see there's definitely a glow. And it smells like like oranges or some kind of citrusy something. This smells really good. And I like how it feels on the body, so this will definitely be a use. Our other product is from Byroe. It is an oats yogurt moisturized barrier cream. Stop this bleeding. So it's a moisturizer. Oh, this is so cute, and it feels luxe. Like that bottle feels, you know, luxe. We're just gonna go ahead, you know, and use some of that. This also has a smell. It's not as potent, but it's definitely there. Feels good. That is great. So that's our two products. So we had a moisturizer and then that body serum. Our other product is from Maison Louis Marie, and then it's a perfume. Why don't you just stay in my arms tonight? Why don't we press pause on the fights we had? It's the top notes are ruby, grapefruit or pamplemousse, and then mandarin leaf, jasmine. Let's just take it. So it looks like so. So it's not a full size. It's a little bit bigger than it's 1.7. Actually, that is a full size, not like the biggest size, but it is a full size perfume. And let us put her on here. And I'm putting everything on that one hand. Ooh. And then I'm just gonna
Oh, this smells good. This smells divine. So that's our 3 products. Our other product is from First Aid Beauty, and it is a bump eraser.
You open up for me, just let it go, forgive more than ever. Oh.
So, you know, exfoliate, pretty much exfoliate your skin. Yeah, so test that out. Our other product is actually from NARS, and it is a lipstick. It is the Power Matte lipstick, and this is in shade Killer Queen 102. I love NARS lipsticks, they're really good. So she looks like so, and the shade is this. Yep, this is very, very pretty. Pretty. Our other product is actually from Origins, and it is Clear Improvement Blackhead Clearing Mask to Scrub. So it have salicylic acid and acne medication.
Seeing things from all these angles, we waste our time talking about everything, just messes up our minds. Tapping out, leaving this now.
Definitely need that, because recently I'm like just breaking out like crazy. So we have 2 other products left. So this is the Tarte Contour Stick. I'm actually not gonna use this because I literally have the same thing in the same shade, the bronze, like it's literally. So I'm not gonna use this. I'll just, you know, I have this and it's really good. So that is that.
We need to stop this bleeding. When we're good, all is fine. Yeah, we can do much better. I don't wanna win a fight just to be right.
You already know about this, right? And last but not least, we have a brush set. So it's shades by Shan. I don't know who that is. It's a brush set. It's the premium 5-piece brush set, multi-use, vegan and cruelty-free. Includes crease, blend, detail, lead, and precision blend.
Gonna fly with shit in heavy. Suddenly we see the same. I am ready. Are you ready? Let's make it better, baby.
So it looks like they're all just, you know. So there's no eyeshadow palette, as we can see. So I'm gonna jump in. So it's 5 brushes. Ooh, kind of has a. So it's 5 brushes. Oh, I like how the. And then it looks like so. I know for sure I'm gonna get a lot of use in like this with these 2 for sure. This is a crease brush and a blend brush for sure. So we're gonna use that today. Now we have to figure out a look that will go with that lipstick. So let me create a little look. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this. This is Pretty from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. This is actually old, but we're gonna. Oh wow, never used it. So I'm gonna use this. This is a detail brush. Oh, maybe not that. Let's try with the crease one. And I'm just gonna pack this shade right here in my, because I'm gonna like attempt to do a halo eye. That's like literally not my favorite thing to do, like halo eye. This is a crease brush, not necessarily a blending brush, but you can use it. This brush actually feels really good. So now I'm gonna take the actual blending brush. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here and just like, you know, buff the edges. blend this. Okay, now I feel like I'm gonna go into this shade right here, but before I do that, I just need a little bit of my NYX glitter glue, and I'll put that like right here, just in the center. And I'm gonna take this brush. This looks like, you know, like a packing brush. It is it? A lead brush. And I'm gonna go into this shade. I'm just gonna buff in the edges so it doesn't look so harsh. Okay, perfect. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. This is Makeup Forever in shade Limitless Brown, which is 608. And then let us go in with this. So this is my lipstick that I got in the Boxycharm, and this is shade Killer Queen. Okay, so let us talk about what I got in my Boxycharm. So first is the first 8 Beauty bump eraser for the body, and that was $30. I didn't use that, right? So, and let us jump into the Origins Clear Improvement Blackhead Clearing Mask. I also did not use that, and that's $37. Our next product is from Tarte, the Sculpt Contour Tape. I did not use that as well. I actually have that, and I use it all the time, and it's a really, really good product. I can give this one away. It's like literally I have the same shade, so that to me was not something. It would just be a waste if I used it because I have one already, 36. And the other product is from NARS, which is the product now on my lips. It feels really, really good. NARS make really good lipstick. You know, like you already knew what you were getting if you have any like NARS lipstick, and that was $34. The next product is from Dew of God. Actually, I am still like shiny. Like if you can see, I'm still glowing, and that is $36. And last but not least, yes, is the perfume I got from Maison Louis Marie, and that is $93. No, we have one more product. Oh yes, we do have one more product. It's from Byroe Oat Yogurt Moisturizer, and that is $106. I have another product that I use. I think it's just a serum from them. That's really good. So $372, and I think I paid like $60 for that. So yeah, I really only got like one makeup product, which was the lipstick, and well, no, I lied, because I also got that contour stick, or one, even if I did not use it, but I did get it, and I actually like that contour stick. So yeah, so I got two makeup products, and I got the perfume, and then the rest of the stuff was skincare. So yeah, so that's it guys for this Boxycharm unboxing box or icon box for February. So you know, if you want to see what I get in my future boxes, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.